Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Quartz Cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining the pristine beauty and longevity of your kitchen countertops, transforming dull, smudged surfaces into sparkling, hygienic focal points with minimal effort, ensuring your investment continues to shine brightly for years to come, making daily cleanups a breeze and preserving the elegant aesthetic of your home. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Discover the power of this incredible cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle tough messes throughout your home. This multi-purpose cleaner is your go-to for various surfaces. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, it handles them all with ease. Say goodbye to grease and grime in your kitchen. It works wonders on ovens, sinks, and stainless steel, leaving them spotless. Transform your bathroom with its powerful cleaning action. It effortlessly cleans showers, tiles, and glass, restoring their shine. No stain is too tough for this paste. It effectively removes even the most persistent grime and marks, making cleaning simple. What we like? This powerful paste is a true multitasker for your home. It effortlessly tackles grease, grime, and tough stains across various surfaces. If you have stubborn messes in your kitchen or bathroom, you should consider this versatile cleaner. What people say. Number 4. Weimann Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. Tired of dull, smudged stainless steel? This kit is designed to bring back its original luster and keep it looking pristine. It effectively removes fingerprints, grease, water spots, and streaks. Say goodbye to unsightly residue on your appliances. This comprehensive 3-piece kit includes a spray, wipes, and a cloth. The spray even won a 2026 Good Housekeeping Cleaning Award for its superior performance. It not only cleans but also polishes, leaving a brilliant, streak-free shine. Plus, it creates a protective barrier to help prevent future smudges. Its non-abrasive formula is safe for all stainless steel finishes, including black stainless. You can trust it won't scratch or dull your surfaces. Use it on refrigerators, dishwashers, ovens, and even outdoor grills. It's perfect for all your indoor and outdoor stainless steel surfaces. Simply spray, wipe with the grain, and buff with the included cloth. No rinsing required for a perfect, gleaming finish. What we like? For your stainless steel appliances, this kit is a game changer. It not only cleans but also polishes and leaves a protective barrier against fingerprints. If you want to maintain a pristine, streak-free shine on all your stainless steel, this specialized solution is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Weimann Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Tired of stubborn stains on your cooktop? This powerful duo is designed to make cleaning a breeze, bringing back the shine to your kitchen surfaces. Not just for cooktops, it also tackles tough grease and grime in your oven. One product, multiple uses, simplifying your cleaning routine. Say goodbye to unsightly streaks and sticky residues. It leaves your surfaces impeccably clean, with a brilliant, streak-free shine every time. Its non-abrasive formula safely cuts through tough grease and baked-on food. You get powerful cleaning without the worry of scratching delicate surfaces. Specially formulated to be safe for both glass and ceramic cooktops. You can trust it to protect your valuable appliances while delivering a deep clean. What we like? Keep your glass and ceramic cooktops sparkling with this dedicated cleaner. Its non-abrasive formula ensures a streak-free finish without damage. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to remove grease and residue from your cooktop, this spray is an excellent choice. What people say. Effectively cleans quartz surfaces without leaving streaks. Designed to maintain the natural shine and integrity of quartz countertops. Number 2. Weimann Granite and Stone Cleaner 3-in-1. Are your beautiful stone countertops losing their luster? Everyday spills and grime can take a toll, making them look dull and uninviting. This powerful 3-in-1 solution is designed to tackle common kitchen messes. It effectively removes grease, tough stains, and unsightly watermarks, bringing back their original shine. Its advanced streak-free formula ensures a flawless finish every time. Plus, with Stain Shield technology, it helps protect your surfaces from future spills and damage. You can confidently use it on a wide range of surfaces. It's perfectly safe for marble, quartz, tile, granite, quartzite, and slate, making it a versatile choice for your home. Keep your stone surfaces looking pristine with minimal effort. This cleaner simplifies your routine, leaving them sparkling clean and protected. What we like. This cleaner offers a convenient 3-in-1 solution for your stone surfaces. It removes grease and stains while providing a protective shield. If you have various natural stone countertops like granite or marble and want simple, effective cleaning with added protection, this is for you. What people say. Number 1. Wyman Stone and Granite Countertop Cleaner and Sealer Kit. Bring back the natural beauty of your stone and granite surfaces. This kit is designed to revitalize and maintain their pristine condition. Effortlessly clean away grime and polish your countertops to a brilliant shine. It makes your surfaces look brand new. Beyond cleaning, it also seals your natural stone. This provides a protective barrier against future stains and damage. Say goodbye to unsightly streaks and residue. It leaves behind a flawless, streak-free finish every time you use it. Rest assured, it's safe for a wide range of surfaces. Use it confidently on granite, marble, and quartz without worry. Each purchase includes a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you have plenty of product on hand. You'll be well stocked for ongoing maintenance. What we like. For comprehensive care of your natural stone, this kit cleans, polishes, and seals. It ensures a beautiful shine and extended protection against future damage. If you want to deeply clean, enhance, and protect your granite or quartz countertops, this complete kit offers lasting results. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.